Puravive is a weight loss supplement inspired by an ancient technique aimed at preparing the body for survival in challenging environments. The creators of Puravive aim to bring the concept of a lean body with balanced fat levels to the commercial market as a proactive measure to support weight control. How to use Puravive. The recommended dosage is 1 capsule per day, taken with a glass of cold water. Consumption is suggested before bedtime, as the natural components purportedly initiate the fat dissolution process during rest. Optimal results are expected with continuous use over 3 to 6 months. How Puravive works. The human body has white fat and brown fat. Excess calories lead to the accumulation of white fat, while brown fat is effective in calorie burning. Puravive is developed to increase the amount of brown adipose tissue in the body, promoting more effective calorie burning. In addition to weight control, Puravive supposedly contributes to the regulation of cholesterol, blood pressure, glucose levels, improvement of brain function, dopamine release, appetite control, better sleep, and reduction of stress and anxiety. Other important aspects of Puravive. The formula is considered 100% organic and is produced in an advanced FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility to ensure safety and quality. It is not recommended for individuals under 18, pregnant or lactating women. People taking medication or with pre-existing medical conditions are advised to consult a doctor before using Puravive to ensure compatibility and safety. Highlighted features of Puravive. Lightweight, affordable, promotes holistic well-being, cellular rejuvenation, healthy digestion promotion, reduction of inflammation and cellular damage, support for heart health, and increased energy levels. Remember that the effectiveness and safety of supplements can vary among individuals, and it is always advisable to consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplementation regimen. Product link in comments.